A Turkish scholar has said that the Boual Forum for Asia this year carries high expectations for world economic recovery and multilateral trade mechanism with a leading role of China. Themed, The World and COVID-19 and Beyond, Working Together for Global Development and Shared Future, the forum was held from Wednesday to Friday in Bouāu, a coastal town in China's southernmost province of Hainan.
Bouāu Forum may be one of the leading forums bringing different sectors and organizations and world leaders come together and discuss the current issues and also build up joint future projections in general. So it is a very timely event, and also the expectations are very high for this year's Bouāu Forum for Asia.
The Turkish scholar also emphasized the growing role of the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, the world's largest free trade deal, in contributing to the world economy and trade.
RCEP and also Bouāu Forum also focusing on further integration for trade networks and also economic networks in Asia and globally. In that regard, the RCEP is not only important for Asia, for Asian integration, but also there will be some very important outcomes for the global economy. So that if there is a successful implementation of the RCEP, there will be further integration in the global economy, starting from East Asia.